Yeah, sure. Thank you. There's actually two investors, offshore investors, that are interested. Both are already in the business of producing medicinal cannabis, and what the intention is to ensure that they are screened through once this legislation is done. But certainly they are already experienced in running factories, and that of course is a positive for Fiji, because they will be bringing foreign investment, but also the necessary expertise that's required for this very complex processes. So yes, there are some investors that are already inquiring. Yeah.
Do you have a comment?
Sure. Yeah. So the way I envisage it working is, the location will be something that the investor will decide. So it could be anywhere in Fiji. There's of course tax-free zones as you go outside Suba from Nosori up to the west. It's really up to the investor where they would like to locate. But I think the important thing to note that it's a factory-type facility, highly secure. Cameras, there'll be monitoring. There'll be ability of the police force to go in and sight the cameras, check the production schedules, track the produce, because that is all required. Will definitely be required from a regulatory standpoint from the Ministry of Health, as well as the police as well. Yeah. So the answer to your question is, it's really up to the investor where they'd like to locate the factory. One of them has been looking around, but I think the key point to make is that it's going to be highly secure. They generally tend to recruit women because it's just the attention to detail, and it's quite a fine process. So with seeds and all that. Then there will be opportunity for employment. And hopefully, it's such a large industry now globally, and hopefully Fiji can participate and get to have another line of export into the global market.